In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make cake toppers in Canva with AI. By the end, you'll have polished, perfectly sized cupcake toppers, ready for edible printing or cutting with a machine. Start by opening Canva. Click Create a Design, then choose a foreign portrait orientation. If you are working with a different sheet size, you can also enter a custom size to match your printer or your cutting mat. Give yourself a bit of room near the edges of the page so everything stays within printable and cuttable areas. Next, head to Elements, then Frames, and pick the circle frame. Drop a single circle onto your canvas. Resize it to roughly 5.1 centimeters, which is about 2 inches. The standard size for cupcake toppers. Keep the circle proportional as you resize, so it stays perfectly round. Once you have one sized correctly, duplicate it and arrange copies in a tidy grid. Space them evenly to maximize the sheet while leaving a small gap between circles, so you have clean separation when you cut. Now let's create the artwork. Go to Elements and look for Generate Your Own, also known as Magic Media. Type a clear description of the design you want. Think theme, colors, and style. To get results that match your occasion, generate a few variations so you can pick your favorites. Drag your AI-generated images straight into the circle frames. They'll snap into place automatically. If you need to adjust what part of the image shows, double-click and reposition it inside the frame until the key details are centered and readable at the small 2-inch size. For crisp, accurate cutting, select each image and click Border Style. Add a thin outline with a weight of 1. Choose a color that contrasts with your design and background so the edge is easy to see. This subtle stroke acts as a visual guide, helping you cut or your machine trace right along the edge without clipping any artwork. When everything looks consistent, it's time to export. If you are printing on edible sheets or sending to a print shop, download as a PNG or PDF print to preserve quality and layout. If you are using a cutting machine like a Cricut, download as an SVG, so the outlines and shapes are recognized cleanly during setup. Keep your download at actual size to maintain the 2-inch diameter. That's it. Thanks for watching.